Okay, so we're going to look at problem number 1 for the CBQ 3 review. Again, these problems do match up to problems that you'll see tomorrow on your test or your quiz. So problem number 1 says find the solution to 7a minus, parentheses, 3a minus 4 is less than or equal to 12. So we're going to go through and we're solving for a. I'm going to write down my PEMDAS. And we're going to see if I can undo this process, work it backwards. So right now I do notice that I have parentheses in my equation, so I'm going to start by getting rid of that. What I have to distribute, or what's in front of my parentheses that's keeping it trapped, is this little negative sign, which actually is a really little -1, just so skinny it doesn't show up. So we're going to take our -1 and we're going to distribute that in first. So -1 times 3a is -3a. Then we have -1 times not just 4, but a -4 to get a positive 4. When you do that, your parentheses disappear and everything else carries down. So you have 7a minus 3a plus 4, bring down our inequality symbol, and the 12 on the other side. So at this point, we can't start undoing our PEMDAS yet, because we still have these two a's that we have to combine. Since they are currently on the same side of our inequality, we don't have to do anything opposite, we're just going to combine them. 7a minus 3a is going to give us 4a. Bring the rest down. I still have plus 4 is less than or equal to 12. Okay, now that I have it down to 1a, I'm going to start undoing my PEMDAS. So my a is over on the left side of my problem. So over on the left side of the problem, don't care about that. There is a plus sign, so I do have addition here. If they're adding 4, I'm going to go through and I'm going to subtract it to move it. When I subtract it, I bring down my 4a. It'll cancel, and now I have less than or equal to 8. Once you've taken care of your addition or subtraction, look to see if there's any multiplication or division. Right now your 4 is attached to your a through multiplying, which means if they are multiplying by 4, we're going to have to divide by 4 to move it. So I'm going to go to both sides and divide by 4. When you do that, you're left with a. I'm going to bring down my inequality. Since I divided by a positive number, I'm not flipping my sign. It's going to stay less than or equal to, and now we have